everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we're going to be doing something that you can put with your Thanksgiving dinner or any dinner, and it's going to be bacon wrapped asparagus on the Blackstone Griddle, but you don't need a Blackstone. You can do this in the kitchen on your skillet or any cooking source at all. Super easy and delicious. So asparagus, meat, bacon. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so let's start with what you need, which is I got some asparagus here, and they're a little thinner than what I like, but I got the asparagus, bacon, any kind of bacon you want, a little bit of oil, any kind of oil also is fine, and some black pepper, and that's it. So the first thing that you want to do is I already rinsed the asparagus. Now with the asparagus, you got the tip over here, which it's hard and nobody likes it. So you just want to break that off. So there's your regular asparagus, and that's about what you're gonna need. So just like that. So we're gonna go ahead and break all of these down to the size here, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we got all of our asparagus with the ends cut off. Now, what you're going to want to do is grab your oil, any kind of oil that you want, this is what I'm using, and just give it a quick spray. Alright, after you're done with the spray, go in with some black pepper. I like fresh, so cracked black pepper. All over it, just like that. Just a little bit of black pepper. Now we're going to go ahead and wrap these up. Okay, so with rolling them up, now this is the this asparagus is actually a little skinnier than I like. So you got the skinny, then the fatter ones. These are the skinnier ones. So normally with the fatter ones I would do 2 per bacon, but since they're the skinnier, I am going to do 3 asparagus and 1 piece of bacon. Just get it in there just like this, and then just roll it up. There you go. Now you have your wrapped asparagus. Now I'm going to do the rest of these off camera, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we have all of them wrapped up. Alright, so let's go light the Blackstone up and get these things cooked. Alright, so today we're working on the 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. Got everything prepped, ready to go. And we're working on a medium-high heat. Throwing in just a little bit of oil just to kind of get the Blackstone ready, but let's go ahead and put them on. Alright, we got them on. We're going to give them, 3-4 minutes or so, and we'll check them, and we'll see you when we check them. Okay, for about 5 minutes in, I just kind of check to make sure that they're ready to turn, and they are ready to turn. Look at that. Ooh, yes. Those are looking, smelling delicious. Let's take you, bring it closer for a better look. Okay, so it's been another about 4 minutes, and they're almost done. And just like when we did the steak bites, there's a couple like this one here. I just want to flip this one more time, give it maybe another minute or so. But other than that, we're done. Let's go ahead and, oh yeah, that is smelling and looking amazing. And that one, and that's it. All right, we're gonna give this just a couple of minutes, and we'll be done. We'll plate them up and give you a taste test. Okay, it's been just another couple of minutes, and it is all done. The bacon is good. Let's see what we got here. All right, we're gonna plate these things up. We'll see you at the cutting board. I can't wait to try these again. Okay, we're finished with the cook, and this is what you get. Let's see if we can get a good shot of it. Look at that. Bacon, asparagus, rolled. If you make these for Thanksgiving, I promise you, this will be one of the first things everybody goes for, obviously besides the turkey or, whatever. But these will be a super hit, but, for any time at all. So, let's take a bite. Those are super delicious. So easy to make, and people just absolutely will love them. And it cooks the asparagus perfect. The asparagus is still crunchy, so I don't like mushy asparagus. So the asparagus still has some crunch in it, and that's good. The bacon is crunchy. Overall, it's perfect for any time. Absolutely. So if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to check the iCard for other videos and recipes. There'll be some other videos popping up as well. Make sure to check those out. But other than that, I'm gonna enjoy these for the rest of tonight's dinner, actually. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next cook.